Hello, thank you so much for viewing. Please don't forget to like my video and to subscribe to my channel. Traveling by train to downtown San Diego and then heading over to Coronado Island via the ferry makes for the perfect romantic getaway or just a day trip. It's also great for bikers or just those of us who want a little bit of me time. I arrived to downtown San Diego about 10 a.m. and returned to Fullerton Station about 9 p.m. More than enough time. Watch your step. I tripped over my bike and took one heck of a tumble.
Oh my goodness.
Due to storage restrictions, a separate reservation is needed to reserve space for your bicycle, both to and from. If you bring along your bike, always remember that the bikes are stored in the coach baggage car. Also, remember to secure and lock your bike.
Please have your face covered. Check it out. Keep us joining us. We'll be back in 30 minutes.
If you travel by business class during the latter half of the day, you are offered wine. So it's great to just have a sip and watch the beautiful sun. The Bayshore Bikeway Trail was a little confusing for me. It was not clearly marked along the path. So as you can see, I have a lot of switchbacks and I wound up riding around some unfavorable places and then turning around. I left the train station and headed down Broadway to Harbor, if I remember correctly. And I wound up passing the USS Midway and then going over to Seaport Village. And I left there and I wound up having breakfast in the Gaslamp area. But there were some unfavorable places along there. So just be careful. In retrospect, I would simply ride from the train station to the ferry at right past Seaport Village area to Coronado Island and catch the bike trail there because it's clearly defined. I arrived early, so I decided to have breakfast in the Gaslamp. The Broken Yoke and the Gaslamp Breakfast Company are both great choices, and they're right across the street from one another. The highlight of my day was catching Nas's sound check with the San Diego Symphony. Riding along the beach with Nas in the background, priceless. As if my day could get any better, I caught the Fifth Avenue ferry to Coronado, $10 round trip. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. The Hotel del Coronado is one of my all-time favorite places. You can park your bike anywhere, sit back, take a look at the scenery, have a drink, have a meal. Just the ending to a great day. Look how beautiful it is. After a couple of hours, I headed back over to Seaport Village. I watched the planes overhead. I had a great time. I was able to watch some ships. It was the end of a perfect day. Thanks so much for viewing.